Good afternoon, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Just a quick video about these tiny AAA batteries. These batteries are rechargeable from your USB, and these are not like NIM batteries with 1.2 volts. These are actually they are not AAA, AA batteries. Sorry, 1.5 volts. 1200 milliamp hours. If you have some RC vehicles just like me, you are going to need lots of AA batteries just like this one. And if you can just have a look here, I have tons of them, but after I buy these two, actually I have two more, so for most of the remote controllers requires, but those two in some of my remote controller I couldn't find them just now. And if you just like me with some RC vehicles, these are the real solution for us, guys. Just remove the head. Sorry, the camera stopped recording. When you plug in your battery, and if you can see, there is a tiny small red light up. Let me just try to show you like this. See? And when the battery gets fully charged, that red light turns into green, obviously. And it took about, if the battery is drained, fully drained, it took about 1 hour to get fully charged from a standard USB like this. So if you would like to get, today I'm having some trouble to get the camera focus on the items, sorry about that. If you would like to get a good solution for your RC vehicles, see, it doesn't focus automatically. Interesting. This is the one you should get, and I am just going to leave the link of these batteries in the description. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day.